Hi guys! Short video today to talk about the Notice users community. And Notice is a work in progress. That means that we're constantly working to develop new features, new options. That means that you guys can contribute by staying up to date. That also means that we're working all the time. To stay up to date, you have many options. You can go there on support and community. You can join us on Slack, which I would recommend because this is where most of the discussions and news are being delivered. You can also follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn because we like followers. If you need help, if you need support, you can read our documentations that contains most of the information that I'm actually giving you in these tutorials. And of course, set tutorials. Always to be recommended. Finally, you can contact us by email, or if something is very urgent, you can contact us by Crisp, which is right there. You can send us very important messages. Last but not least is the collaborative roadmap that's basically here. You can see what's been done, but you can also see what's in progress and what's being developed at the moment. You can comment, upvote the things that you think are important to help us give your input and decide how to make Notice the best software to use. Thank you. See you soon.